The ideal. He said Allah was definitely with us. And I said we had the rub of the green. Our actually epitomises our team. It's quite diverse backgrounds and cultures, and guys grow up in different countries and are at the stage of where they're at in their career. But to actually find humour in the situation that we were in at the time was pretty cool.
Owen, you described Ben Stokes as superhuman. I just wondered if you could have a word on his contribution, not just from today, but what happened in Calcutta 3 years ago. I'm guessing that was an inspiration for him, but how much does it show his character that stepping up today and doing that after what happened in Calcutta?
Yeah, I've said this a number of times about Ben. I think a lot of careers would have been ended after what happened in Calcutta. Ben on numerous occasions has stood up individually and in a unit for us. He leads the way in training, in any team meetings we have, and is just an incredible cricketer. And today he's had a huge day out, and obviously we're thankful for that.
Yes, sir. And congratulations. In 1987 World Cup, Alan Lamb with that Mike Gatting with that reverse sweep, all that happened. This England side is known for its fearless brand of cricket. Even against the Australia semi-final, you played a reverse sweep, you didn't connect, and then again you went for another reverse sweep. Joe Root did the same. Jason Roy bashed to against Indian spinners. Today we saw some audacious scoops from Josh Butler under pressure. Do you think at what moment, what sort of a risk